There you go. Leak just cleaned the carburetor. At the beginning, we had it away for years, didn't use it. What are you doing? I don't know what he's doing. Anyway, it started at the beginning. He tilted that whole row, you know, this whole little piece of land. And what happened was it shut down. And it wouldn't start. It go on and off, on and off. So he cleaned the carburetor, and now it works like a charm again. Look at that. That's a good machine. Yeah, I know we pay like $500. I don't know how much we pay for that one. I know it was expensive. Look at that. If you got a machine like this, you won't starve. All you need is some farmland. And start planting, right? So now he's doing it deeper because I told him I wanted it deeper. It rained like cats and dogs here for 2 days in a row. And now it stopped raining. So all the grass was coming back up on the ground. So there you go. Okay, bye.